Today we got a video from Body Cam Network USA, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Throws Her Shoes at Strip Club Security Guards." Let's get into it, man.
On February 1st, 2026, deputies with the Polk County Sheriff's Department responded to a call from a strip club manager that stated her and one of her staff members were assaulted by a customer, and they needed her and her friends trespassed from the property.
Silver vehicle here.
With the lights on?
Yeah, I got one vehicle, or I got one gal that was super aggressive. She had a couple of knocked down.
What happened, sir? Stay in your car, please. Which one?
Yeah.
Let's come over here. Oh, plate. 146, copy plate. Lincoln Avenue. Which one?
Yes, every single female in that car needs to be criminally trespassed.
Okay.
They had assaulted one of our dancers today.
They got laundry in the
I
back
need
seat.
everybody's IDs.
Can you let me out the car?
No, stay in the car.
Okay.
Everybody give me your IDs.
You don't have to. We're black, but we're not like stupid black.
Give me your ID, you're going to jail.
It's that doesn't.
We're black, but we're not stupid black. What the hell does... What? You got stupid people, all shades, all colors, all races. What the hell does that mean? We're black, but we're not stupid black. What the... Listen, see, and people think that ladies don't go to strip clubs too. You be mistaken. They be in there.
Work like that. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah, I'm investigating a fight and you're all being trespassed.
No, we weren't in a fight. We wasn't in a fight.
Right, it doesn't matter.
I say you didn't ask. Hold on. First of all, yes, you're not going about this rightly. So hold on. I don't give a fuck.
Hey.
You're not going about this in the proper manner.
Yeah, and so I just need your IDs. Okay.
Okay, so you can say, hey, ladies, can I get your IDs? I'm investigating. No, you did not. You said, give me your IDs. I'm investigating a fight. You try to make yourself sound like you're superior, and you're not.
Okay, give me your IDs. Please.
No, it's not. It's not. Give me your IDs, please. You don't need our IDs because we're not
being
driving this vehicle.
trespassed.
No, you're not. No, we're not. We weren't literally. Okay, no. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. It's okay. I'm calling Sergeant Kalar because you're sitting here playing in my face.
Vehicle.
You know, I don't have to sit in my vehicle. You didn't make me sit in my vehicle.
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
Before what?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
What for what?
Huh?
What am I
Because
being?
you're not following my orders.
But if we're not following your orders?
Yeah.
She's not doing. I'm being arrested for not following your orders. You're not doing anything. Oh my God, y'all are going to jail. Oh my God, that's crazy. Not following
Y'all are going to jail.
I told you, give me your ID. You're going.
No, that's not. I'm ID on her. I had her keys. I have my ID. No, they're going to jail. No, that's fine.
I got her. Please stay over there. Thank you.
I'm not going to jail for not
146, one
following
custody.
orders. She's a birthday. No.
Good. Happy birthday.
That's not the problem. That's the
Happy
problem.
birthday.
Do you want to take a PBT at all?
No, it's not the issue.
What's your name? What's your name?
Not going to jail for not following orders is crazy.
No, I said give me your ID. You're being
It's not a
trespassed. Huh?
It's not a
Give me your name. You're getting charged with interference.
It's not interference.
Okay, you just got charged with interference too.
Oh my God. Oh, I like this officer. Next. Who's next? Get them together, boy. What? Y'all better get in line, boy. You're not playing.
And she literally.
Who's
Your
next?
name yet?
Somebody that looks like a man.
Okay.
Someone that looks like a man. Was pushing us out.
Here, hop in your car.
Is pushing us out, and I said, "You're a man."
Turn it on if you want the heat. Will you just roll down the windows?
Like now I see that.
Do you have your ID on you, ma'am?
No, I don't have mine on me.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna need to grab your name, please. Your first name, please. A-L-O-K. A-L-O-K?
Wait, are you joking?
Yeah,
This locked, so can you just like leave it open?
sure. All of them are getting trespassed. For sure.
Wait, that's not fair. It doesn't even matter. Oh, look, we don't even come here. This is so stupid. This isn't. Oh, who cares? Who cares?
There's a
I don't want to come back here. This is
bouncer somewhere that's saying that got assaulted.
Go back to her shit.
Yeah.
So outside of that, what the f is she gonna do about Fury?
So what happened tonight?
It literally, when I say that security guard in there started shoving me in my back, and I'm the main one telling my friend, she was not being aggressive. She literally is just like frustrated because she's like, it's my birthday and I just got here 10 minutes ago and I don't even know the girl you guys are talking about. Because I guess the girl is a stripper who dealt with my sister's ex-boyfriend, whatever, and as soon as she saw my sister, she said, I don't feel comfortable with all of those people who just came in being here.
So was anybody in a fight? Were you guys fighting with each other?
No.
Okay, were you guys fighting with the bouncer or anything?
No, the bouncer started shoving me in my back, and when I say you can ask anybody in here, I was the one saying like, let's just go, it's whatever, like we're not.
But why was he shoving you in your back? You're missing something here. There's something off. There's something off. You're not just gonna arrive someplace and everything is going fine, and then all of a sudden security just starts shoving you in the back. Like there's a chunk of information here that's being missing, and you're not saying it, man. Oh, nothing. No, we weren't fighting. We weren't doing anything. The security just started shoving me in the back. Like, nah, that shit don't even make sense.
Not getting our money back because the owner was like saying, I'll give you $100, get the f out of here with your ghetto ass. And I was like, dog, like, I genuinely wanted my money back, but at this point, there's no point to try to get it back anymore. Okay. So then I was like, we might as well.
So you already paid admission to go in. Did you make it all the way inside?
Yes. And then we were in there for maybe 10 minutes, and then they walked up to a security, and I'm like, I don't.
Damn, $100 to get in a strip club, though? Hell no.
To go in, did you make it all
Where
the way
is
inside?
this?
Yes, and then we were in there for maybe 10 minutes, and then they walked up to a security, and I'm like, I don't even know who you're talking about. Because I didn't even hardly see the dancers. I was talking half the time.
Okay.
And it was like, then they walk up to us and say, we're all not welcome here because of a dancer. And then we get walked up to the front, so we're like, can we at least get our money back because we just got here? And then the owner comes up saying, pretty much saying, like, oh, I'll give you $100, get the f out of my face. And then like, obviously was being sarcastic, was not trying to give us a refund. So then I'm like, okay, let's just leave. And then the security guard, I guess they're like a they, them, I'm not sure.
Okay.
They literally started pushing me in my back. And then my sister's like, you're a man, like, don't hit my.
Wait, you're a they, them. Wait, what she said? Nah, hold on, man. Yo.
And I'm like, okay, let's just leave. And then the security guard, I guess they're like a they, them, I'm not sure.
Okay.
They literally started pushing me in my back. And then my sister's like, you're a man, like, don't hit my sister, because I genuinely thought it was a man. And then they're like, I'm not a fucking man. And then starts flipping out and like,
us. And then now they're saying that we were assaulting them. That's crazy. A man was pushing us. And I said, I will call
I don't
the police.
think it's a man. I don't know what.
It's a boy. That's literally was born a boy, and they're calling herself a girl. You're not a girl. You're a man.
I don't
and
know.
that was pushing me.
It was shoving
and
me.
And now
in
it's becoming an issue. That's crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Like, this is too much.
All right. And somebody got your name as well, ma'am? Somebody got your name? Okay.
Yeah, they already got my name.
All right, thank you. You guys just hang out for me, okay? Huh?
Can you let me know about her?
She's going to jail.
Are you
What is
serious?
it for?
Hey, I don't know why she wouldn't listen to me. I told her what I was doing. I said I'm investigating a fight, and you guys are being trespassed.
I think she was trying to. She was trying to explain it, but the main one who was getting yelled at was her, and it's her birthday.
Okay.
I think she
I'm
was just
sorry.
overwhelmed.
I'm
If
sorry.
you
It's her
could just even
birthday.
talk to her.
There was a bouncer that got assaulted.
The manager, she got hit in the ear with the shoe, and then another bouncer with the shoe.
She got hit in the ear. Okay. I need to see who this look like. No way this spot costs $100 to get in the nah. A lot of chicks in there too.
Who was assaulted?
Me and my fiance. So she got hit square in the face with one of the slippers. She's coming up.
Okay.
So she got hit in the face with one of them as she was trying to walk away, and then I got nailed in the ear with the other one that she did.
Okay. Where did they hit you at?
Just right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
That's a she? Oh man, this world is so fried. Like, this shit is cooked. This is, man, yo. And I know I can't even really go into it because, you know, some people be a part of the LGBT community that watch me, you know what I'm saying? So I don't want to get offensive, you know what I'm saying? But, oh man, they, them, and then the fiance who looks like a woman here to the left, kind of, but you know, damn, is calling this person a she, but this person don't look like no she, man. Oh.
A little bit of red on your nose.
Yeah. So what they hit you with?
I think the slippers are still in the lobby.
Okay.
She threw her shoe at me is what she did.
She threw her shoe and hit you in the
Yeah.
You want charges?
Nah. Really.
She was the victim.
No. Yeah, they just threw her shoe.
So we just wanted them to get out of here?
Just trespass them.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, make it easier on both of us.
Yeah.
So the victim of this whole assault thing doesn't want anything done.
Yeah, this one.
Just want everybody trespass. So if you got somebody in custody, it's going to be because they did something stupid to you. Okay, perfect.
She
Anybody else?
identify herself. I told her, give me your ID, identify yourself, you're going to jail. She got out of the car and...
Is she drunk too?
Yes.
All right, offer the PBT. She
Yeah,
says
she
fuck you.
declined.
Sweet. Everybody else just do trespassing. You need anything else?
No, we should...
From anybody else on scene?
No.
We'll stand by because it's starting to get a little rowdy in there.
I never even talked to him.
All right.
It's too cold to be fighting outside, man.
I didn't realize, like, there's all chicks in there.
Yeah, that's usually the only people that come here. Like you guys said, it probably doesn't matter, but you guys are trespassed from here, okay?
Okay, that's okay. We don't even come
That's
here.
fine.
This is my first time I've been here in literally like 5 years. But I just don't want. It's my friend's birthday. She's a single mom. I know that it doesn't really matter that much to y'all, but she's literally a single mom.
Okay.
So
Who's watching her right now?
He's at my parents.
Yeah.
Okay. Is he spending the night there, I'm guessing?
Yeah,
all of our kids
but
are
it's like we
spending
all
the night.
have
We
church in
just-
the morning, and we go back to our regular program like tomorrow.
Like
All right.
I don't
He
know.
has
Well, she's
therapy
getting charged
and
with 2 simple misdemeanors so she can bond out. She's getting charged with public intox and public intox and interference.
But why? She was in the car.
No, she exited the vehicle to get up into my face. When I asked her, I said, give me your ID, you're going to jail. Multiple times.
I can't for this once. I understand.
Listen, we have these problems every weekend, okay?
I know, but
And
she
so,
does not. Like
this
when I
is
say
what
she
happens
signs
when nobody
together,
listens.
This
Okay,
isn't her as a
guys.
Man, if they keep arguing, we might have to find some charges for them. Man, come on, man. Drop it. It's over. They're getting hit with misdemeanors. Like, misdemeanors is not that big of a deal, man.
I'm not going to argue with you. It's fine. Okay, that's what's going to happen. Okay, I will let her know. You guys can bond her out in a few hours if you want to. All right? You guys are trespassed. Please don't come back.
Perfect.
All right, man. What's your first name, please? You spell that for me.
Montejj.
Montej. I'm sorry.
You're gonna take me to jail on my birthday.
I don't care that it's your birthday. I'm sorry.
I know you don't care. It's
Your first name is Montejha.
No, it's Montejha.
J-H-A.
I have border warrants in Lynn County and Powersheet County.
Okay. And what is your birthday? Okay. All right.
She said she got warrants?
You need anything else?
Were they fighting out here when you got here?
They said no. They said they walked in, they paid, and apparently a bouncer knew them or something and said, no, that's not happening. Get out of here.
Her phone with her so she hasn't.
Sure, of course. Thank you. All right, stay in the car for me.
Yep.
Take a deep breath and blow as hard as you can into here, okay? You're breathing in. I need you to blow out.
I know, but you gotta breathe in before you breathe out.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
I know.
Oh, attitude,
Okay,
man.
deep breath in right now. Blow all the way out. All right, at 0.179. Go and hop on out. Go ahead and walk to these guys for me. 146, post arrest PBT 0.179.
The woman was then booked into the Polk County Jail, where she was charged with public intoxication and interference with official acts.